Excited ang isang to. Buti lang naalala ni Daddy. Late na kaming nakapag-decide na kailangan na palang bumili ng ganito. Ah? Yaya, please. Sige na, pili na kayo ni Daddy.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Te, pang color mo. Baking ang aking ate. Ayaw na niyang magbe-bake na lang daw siya ng Halloween edition ng kanyang cake. Busy ang kusina dahil kay Dexy. Yan, so ano nangyari dyan, ate? Hindi na nahuhulog? Are you sure?
That should be good. Yeah, now I'm just gonna add my vanilla and food coloring.
Okay. Yay!
Hopefully it tastes good.
For sure, taste good yan. So, dito naman kami.
It's an operation! Oo, mabigat at ang project na paggawa ni Nana ngayon. Mukhang...
So, eto yung gusto ni Dexa this year. 2025 sa kanyang pumpkin carving!
professional nga yung request ni Dixa.
Eto,
Let's do
dalawang ngipin lang, Daddy. Ayaw na kasi ni ate.
Let's do it, Dixa.
So, si Dexa na lang daw. So, color orange naman itong gagawin ni ate na merengue. Wow. Ito pag dagdagan mo mamaya ng color para
I
sa
will.
pumpkin.
I'm trying to see because this is the first time I've used this color.
This color? Yeah.
So you gotta see.
While si ate ang nagbe-bake ng kanyang Halloween edition, si Daddy at Dexa naman ay busy dito sa kanilang
Slash jack-o'-lantern making. Pumpkin carving, like this step is called pumpkin carving, and then the full result is a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, kung may nagpaliwanag pa sa akin, kasi hindi nakakaintindi ang
Don't cut
mother.
off your fingers. Guys, wait guys, I have magical powers. Ready?
Naks
Open
talaga
this!
lang.
Open this!
May
Open this!
ganun pa. Wow! Ang lakas naman.
Later, I'm gonna play with the slimes.
Okay. So while Dexa is removing the seeds, si ate naman ay busy dito sa kanyang baking. Busy ang dalawa ngayon. Yung isa naman into baking naman siya. Ito naman into carving. May isa dun into cellphone. Ayun. Into cellphone. Marami, Dexa. Parang maliit ngayon ang binili nating pumpkin, no? Small one. Small version. Yeah.
Hey, I can't see!
Inayos ko lang kasi hindi ka Hello Kitty. Hello Keta ka.
Hello, Tita.
Hello Keta. Oh, yan na yung ginawa ni ate. Oh.
Mixing it to make sure everything is incorporated full.
Wow.
Guys, last time I did everything. She made me do it.
What?
Yes, I did. I added the sugar and all.
Okay. Sige na, Dexila.
Even the hardest part, mixing it.
That's how you become good.
So every time it's good, you're gonna put it on your head.
You should be able to flip it over your head. That's how you
What
know.
if it falls
Papipe
on
na
your
si
head?
ate.
Then it's not good.
Nahulog lahat sa hair mo. Ligo ka kaagad. Okay, iwag mo naman siguro lahat tanggalin kasi para maganda din siya na may mga web pa siya. Mas lalo siya nakakatakot. Ano
What
na
are
yan
you
ni
talking
Daddy?
about? Is pumpkin scary to you?
Yeah. Ito mas scary.
You know what I'd say? If someone said,
Very mom saying no to money.
Ano? Mas scary yung hindi ako mag-oo sa mga makeup purchases mo.
Mama, you know what I'd
What's
say to that?
scary is me being in Sephora and I ask
Hey, Dad.
mommy and daddy, I call them, guys, can I buy this? And they say no.
No, Mom. If someone says, is your dad scared of anything? And I will say no. And then, wait, is your dad scared of monsters? No, he is. I will say no, he is brave. And then, if they say, then what is he scared of? I'm gonna say my mom.
Oo.
Okay, let's go now.
No! I need everything.
Ay, yung pipe mo na yan, nilalagay mo na lahat dyan?
Yeah?
Oh, kaagad-agad o pwede mo pang maglagay later?
Mahirap na maglagay later. Kasi
Oh.
it's sticky na, diba?
Mhm.
It's better to do it in one kasi that way you have to work fast with meringue.
Oh. So, gumawa pa siya ng green.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the smaller, my smaller.
Meron ka bang binili? Dito
I
nandito.
have that one, that smaller one right there. Yes.
O, ganyan pala ginagawa ni ate. Saglit lang natin kainin yung ginagawa mo yan. Ang tagal ng result. Ang tagal ng paggawa ni ate. 1 hour pa nga.
That's why
yun.
it's expensive.
Yeah,
when you buy
true.
it in the store, right?
Ito, $5 binili ko lang kayo, no?
No, it's way more than $5. How
Yeah.
much was when you bought it? The
Yeah,
bag
I think
for us?
something like
50 cents.
almost 10.
Yeah, exactly. It's way more expensive than store.
Eggs.
So, ready na tayo.
What are you talking about? Who said that?
Si ate, ready na.
How about me?
Oh,
I didn't say anything about it.
Yan. Tayo. Oo nga. Pumpkin. Wow.
Okay na maliit na pumpkin.
Ang dami para magkasya na. Wow.
Could someone please preheat the oven to 200 degrees
Si daddy na.
200 degrees.
Preheat.
Fahrenheit?
Can I live in the 200 degrees outside?
No.
How
So yan.
hot is that?
While ginagawa ni ate yan.
What if
Busy
you
si
win?
Dex ha.
200.
May nag-preheat. Tutusan ni chef si assistant. Mag-preheat daw siya. Wala na.
Wait,
Sige, almost.
yeah.
Bake free.
Don't look inside
Why?
because I don't want you to.
What?
Dad. It's still hot.
Marami pa?
Yeah. Ducky not.
Yan na yung result ng ginawa ni ate. Then patapos na din si Dexa. Almost done na. Tama na yan, Dexa. Huwag mo masyadong isagad kasi mas maganda naman yung may mga web siya para siya nakakatakot mukha mo.
Who has webs in
Parang
their
mukha
mouth?
mo.
It's supposed to be cute.
Oh, that's supposed to be cute, Grandma.
Oh, bakit naman?
Wait, you did double.
Yeah.
Yeah, yun yung purpose ni ate. Ayan, oh. Ilagay lahat ni ate. Ooh. Dan.
Now we need to get the green part.
Green part. So, lagyan niya daw ng ganito. Oh! Ang cute nga naman. Daddy, lika. Nilagyan niya din ng parang ano niya, oh.
Ito niya, itong original.
Yeah, yung original na ganito. So, gumagawa si Dexy ng ganun din. Oh. Wow. Ayan. Tingnan natin mamaya. Ang cute mamaya yan.
Saan yung akin dyan? Yung tatlo?
Yung maliit lang. Ano yan eh. Ibang version siya, Dad. Less po yung sugar. Kasi alam mo naman.
Grandma.
Ang sama nito. Grandma. Loko. Grandma daw ako. Then 1 hour pa kasi ang hintayin dito.
1 hour pa yan?
2 hours.
Bakit 2 hours?
1 hour in the oven, 1 hour cooked baking, and then 1 hour in the oven where it just has to rest. So
Oo.
Oh?
Para crunchy siya. I know.
Bakery.
that's why it's so expensive when you buy it like in stores.
Kasi matagal nga yung ganyan niya. Oh. So, ayan. Okay na ata tong kay Dexa. Dexa, okay na ata yan.
Wait.
Because it needs to stay dry.
Yeah, so ito na siya.
Pumpkins.
Ni Dexy.
My pumpkin
Yeah.
patch.
So, 2 hours pala ang tagal na ito. Diyos ko po. 1 hour daw ang baking, then 1 hour ang kanyang rest. So, it's already 8 p.m. ata. Naku, hindi na pwede sa akin yan mamaya. Tomorrow ko na yan matikman. Yeah, kasi gabi na.
Actually, it's better if it rests overnight.
Yeah.
That's the thing about meringues. It's better if they rest
Ay, may ngipin yan, tay.
Ito.
Ah, okay. Yan na yung kay Dexa naman. May alcohol ata si ate dun eh. Hiramin mo yung alcohol niya. Ay, wala?
Wait, Daddy, give me your drinking alcohol.
Yung vodka.
Vodka daw. Baka nga.
The only alcohol we have in the house is vodka.
Wala ba talaga? Kahit sa mga kamay lang?
No, we have no alcohol in this household.
Si dinowing adding mo eh, iba eh. Yan na, Dexa! Ka-open na! Oh, may ngipin na din siya, Dexa. Tingnan mo.
We need a tongue.
Oo, ang ano ko lang, gusto ko nga magpakuha sana ng alcohol pala malinis yung tingnan. Nag-rest na siya.
I done. Bro, why does it look like that?
Tingnan mo yung tsura niya.
Tingnan mo, di halos pareho siya.
Tingnan mo dito.
Oh. Dun sa
No,
picture.
but Daddy's supposed to remove this part.
Tama lang to. Tingnan mo din. Oh, pareho lang.
Oh my goodness, you guys.
Oh,
That's literally the same thing.
yeah. I know.
Tabaan na natin yung guhit na sa gitna.
Yeah.
Para ma-identify.
Nangipin? Sige. Asahin mo yung ngipin. Asahin mo yung ngipin maganda. Kasi nakabukol siya dito dati.
Hindi naman kita yan.
Sige na, Dexila.
Alexa, good night! Alexa, good night!
Alex, hindi siya na-identify ni Alex.
Ano yan na?
Dexa, ito na. Dexila. Okay, paano yung pinakain mo? So, ayan, perfect na yan. Yun ang pinakopya mo kay Taddy.
Guys, wait, one more time.
Ito na siya.
Open the light, please.
Si Dexa. Ayan ang kanyang pumpkin carving this year. 2025. Habang yung binibake naman ni ate andun na sa oven. Ayan na. Tomorrow na namin yung matikman.
1 more hour.
1 more hour na oras na mamaya. Hindi na
It's
natin
gonna be
pwedeng
more than 1
kainin.
hour.
Yeah. So yan, so it's time to clean up. Clean up na.
I may look like Cinnamoroll, but I'm secretly a vampire. Blood for you.
Titikman ko nga.
Blood
Can I
for
have one?
you. Oh, yan na. Yan ang ginawa nila. Ano yan? Jello?
No blood.
Blood daw. Bigyan niyo daw si daddy niyo. Sige, Dexa. Cheers! Jello, cheers! Dexa!
Wow!
Don't worry, these are not Jello shots. They're just Jello.
Oh, yan. Nakain na niya.
Blood.
Tingnan ko nga. Sarap. Happy Halloween, everyone!
Happy early Halloween.
A+ lang talaga, sabi ni daddy.
Masarap pa nga ito sa plus.
Bakit naman pareho lang naman ang ginagamit nila?
Parang tigas din, no?
Same lang siguro.